Hello students, good morning. Welcome to history class for class 7. Take out your history and civics book. Take out the previous lesson which we had started, the Delhi Sultanate 3 at page 58. Now open page 60. We had already discussed these topics: introduction, administrative system of the Delhi Sultanate, art and architecture in the Sultanate. Let's recall some terms which we had already discussed in the previous video. Turmoil, fountainhead, true arch, dome, calligraphic, inscription, octagonal. Now, in today's video, we are going to discuss these topics. Socio-culture development. In this topic, we are going to discuss literature, languages, educational centers, and music. Objective of today's topic: to understand about the famous poets and historians at the time of Sultanate period, to understand about the regional languages in the Sultanate period, the birth of Urdu language, what is lingua franca, educational centers during the Sultanate period, to understand about the music and the musical instruments played during the Sultanate period. Let's read the terms which we are going to study in this topic. Treatise, a written work dealing formally and systematically with the subject. Vernacular, the language dialect spoken by the ordinary people in a particular region. Lingua franca, a language which is adopted as a common language between speakers whose native language are different. Flourish, to develop rapidly. Evolution, gradual development of something exceptional, unusual. Let's start with the introduction of the topic. The Delhi Sultanate period witnessed important development in the field of literature, music, art and architecture. The sultans of the Delhi were the great patron of learning. The well-known poets were Amir Khusrau, Badri Chart, Shamse Siraj Afif, Mir Hasan Dalvi. Some famous historians were Minhaj-us-Siraj, Ziauddin Barani, Yahya bin Ahmad Sirhandi. The picture you can see on the screen, the picture is of Barani, who was the famous historian. This is the picture of Amir Khusrau. Amir Khusrau was the greatest of all the Indian poets. He composed more than 4 lakhs of couplets. He was also called Tut-e-Hind, parrot of India. The language of the people got boost from the Muslim rulers. The languages Hindi, Birj, Avdi. Persian was the official language of the Sultanate of Delhi. The birth of Urdu language was an important development on that period. Urdu was the mixture of Persian and Hindi language. During the Sultanate period, formal education was imparted in the schools attached to the mosque and temples. Muslim madrasa schools were financed by the Sultanate. During the Sultanate period, music also flourished. The fusion of Perso-Arabian and the musical forms result in the evolution of new forms of music. Let's read the topic now: literature. Socio-culture development. The Delhi Sultanate period witnessed important development in the field of literature, music, art and architecture. Literature. The Sultan of the Delhi Sultanate were great patrons. Patrons means a person who gives financial or other support to a person or a cause. Amir Khusrau, Badri Chart, Shamse Siraj Afif and Mir Hasan Dalvi were well-known poets of this. Muslim historians were careful writers. Historians means a person who study history. Of the history. Among some of the prominent means important historians, the names of Minhaj-us-Siraj, Ziauddin Barani, Yahya bin Ahmad Sirhandi are the well-known. Al-Biruni was an accomplished means successful Sanskrit scholar. Amir Khusrau was undoubtedly the greatest of all the Indian poets. It is believed that he had composed more than 4 lakhs of couplets. Couplets means dohe. He was also called Tuti Hen, Parrot of India. Sikandar Lodi wrote verses means dohe in the Persian. Persian is the language of Persia under the pen name of Gulrukhi. Here the student pen name means if I write a book, I publish that book with another name, not with my original name, that is known as pen name of Gulrukhi translated a Sanskrit treatise. Treatise means written work dealing formally with subject on medicine into Persian. Vidyapati, a famous poet, composed beautiful verses in Maithili, language of Bihar. Chand Bardai composed Prithviraj Raso. Let's read language now. Languages. Unquestionably, the Turco people of Turkey, Afghan, the people of Afghanistan. Rulers were warriors, soldiers, but they were also the patron of Islamic learning. The language of the people got boost from the Muslim rulers in the provincial kingdoms. Consequently, as a result, much of the popular literature in Sanskrit was available in regional languages. Regional means local. Firoz Tughlaq took keen interest in the translation work. The regional language, common languages got tremendous boost from the Bhakti movement. Many saints popularized the vernacular language spoken by the common people. Languages. The languages Hindi, Birch, Avdi. Birch and Avdi are the languages spoken mostly in the areas of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Its extra became popular. A rich treasure of literature developed in Tamil, language of Tamil Nadu, Hindi, international language, Marathi, language of Maharashtra, Bengali, language of West Bengal, Gujarati, language of Gujarat, Kannada, language of Karnataka. Persian was the official language of the sultans of the Delhi Sultanate, whereas the Arab traders used Arabic. The birth of Urdu language was an important development. Urdu was a mixture of Persian and Hindi language. The word Urdu means language of the camp. Urdu developed as a lingua franca. What is lingua franca? A language which is adopted as a common language between speaker whose native language is different. Urdu developed as a lingua franca after the Muslim invasions attacks between the occupying armies and the local people of the region around Delhi. Let's read about the educational centers of the Delhi Sultanate. Educational centers. During the Sultanate period, formal education was imparted in the schools attached to the mosques and the temples. Major emphasis means stress, was given on the religious education. The majority of the Muslim madrasas, schools, were financed by the Sultanate. Hindu pathshalas, schools, also imparted education. The Sultanate of the Delhi were great patrons of learning. It is roughly calculated that during the Tughlaq period, there were nearly 1000 educational institutes in the Delhi. Let's read about the music in the Sultanate period. Music. During the Sultanate period, music also flourished to develop successfully. The fusion means join two things to form a new one, of the Perso-Arabian and the Indian musical forms resulted in the evolution, gradual development of new form of music. Amir Khusrau, who lived in the court of Alauddin Khalji, contribution to the Hindustani classical music was exceptional, unusual. It is said that he created the sitar and tabla. He also created several new rags. He also produced many styles of singing like khyal, tarana and qawwali. Nayak Gopal was also in the court of Alauddin Khalji It is said that he created several rags. Several means many rags. Firoz Tughlaq also patronized music. He got the musical work Rag Darpan translated into Persian. Another work on the different forms of the music called Lihajat-e Sikandar Shahi was written during the reign of Sikandar Lodi. Students, now you will do related exercises on page number 64. Exercise 1, question number 4, 5, 6. Exercise 2, question number 1, 2, 3. Exercise 3, 1, 2, 3. You will do these questions on the book. On page 65, exercise 5, question number 1, 2 on the book. Let's recall some cross questions. Name some famous poets of the Delhi Sultanate. Name some historians of the Delhi Sultanate. Name the famous Sanskrit scholar of the Delhi Sultanate who was known as a Tutiya, who wrote verses in the Persian under the pen name of Gulrukhi, who composed Prithviraj Raso. Name some popular languages spoken in the Delhi Sultanate. What was the official language of the Delhi Sultanate? What do you mean by the lingua franca? Who was Amir Khusrau, who translated Rag Darpan into Persian? Now student, I hope you understood the topic. You will do the exercises. Don't forget to learn the terms. I will come with another video with another topic. Thank you.